The Joy Rider van conversion, designed by the Austria-based Joy Rider Travel, sets a new standard for luxury van life with its innovative features and attention to detail. Unlike typical van conversions that often prioritize compactness, the Joy Rider conversion goes above and beyond, offering an expansive kitchen, a comfortable lounge, and luxurious finishes. Built on the Fiat Ducato chassis, this van is crafted for those who refuse to compromise on space, comfort, or style, whether for travel, leisure, or remote work. Maximizing its interior layout, the Joy Rider conversion feels remarkably spacious despite its size. Instead of the conventional dinette and bedroom setup, it cleverly reimagines space by integrating a large double bed that's hidden within a premium couch. At night, this couch transforms into a plush sleeping area, made possible through a sleek mechanism of magnets and a slat extension that balances practicality with elegance. One of the standout features of the Joy Rider van is its massive kitchen, which stretches across the van's entire length. The kitchen boasts an impressive amount of counter space, perfect for preparing meals on the go. It includes a 2-burner induction cooktop, a full-sized residential fridge cleverly placed between the wardrobe and lounge, and ample storage throughout. This fully equipped kitchen offers the comforts of home on the road, with thoughtful touches like 2 wardrobes with shelving and a full-length mirror to enhance its luxurious feel. The bathroom in this van is designed with both style and function in mind. While keeping the layout sleek and open, it doesn't skimp on essentials. A Classana toilet and walk-in shower are discreetly tucked behind swinging doors, offering privacy and practicality without taking up unnecessary space. This approach ensures the van remains spacious and versatile, while still providing all the necessary amenities for comfort. Inside, the van combines convenience with luxury. A small, movable table affixed to a swivel bar creates the perfect space for dining, whether inside or outside. The cabin seats swivel to face the living area, allowing 4 people to comfortably gather. Modern amenities like a Dometic roof-mounted AC system, Wi-Fi router, and smart TV elevate the experience, ensuring a cozy atmosphere for relaxation or work. Premium leather upholstery and high-quality wood finishes add a touch of elegance to the interior. The exterior design is equally impressive, featuring a large rear garage for extra storage and an exterior shower for added convenience. The 2025 model comes equipped with a solar power system, enhancing its energy efficiency for off-grid adventures. Joy Rider Travel offers customization options, including 2 length configurations, along with choices for color and additional features such as a bike garage or a mobile office setup for work on the road. However, such luxury comes at a price. The Joy Rider conversion starts at €97,910 for the base model, with prices soaring above €107,990 for longer versions with more powerful engines and additional upgrades. The standout model showcased in trade shows for 2023 to 2024 features a bold pink exterior paired with an elegant, neutral-toned interior, making it as much a statement of style as it is a functional living space. In summary, the Joy Rider van conversion redefines the van life experience with its spacious, well-thought-out layout and high-end finishes. This is not just a van to sleep in, it's a luxurious, home-like space designed for travelers who demand the best in both comfort and style while on the road. Whether you're exploring new destinations, working remotely, or simply enjoying the freedom of van life, the Joy Rider conversion offers the perfect blend of convenience, luxury, and versatility.